Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Vinny, the greatest of all Texas. 2-month review of the Savute drawer made by Big Country 4x4, sold by Rugged Bound Supply Co out of Houston, Texas. After having my FJ for about 4 years, I've really been wanting to upgrade my storage capability, which that led me to the drawer system. After finally finding, the Savute drawer and getting it, it's been a game changer for the FJ Cruiser, allowing me to not only have more storage capability in the FJ, but able to organize my gear and know that it's going to be safe while I have it stored. Here's the drawer system that I have right here in the FJ Cruiser, and you could just see from the way it sets, like it goes flush with the FJ Cruiser. So it's not like most other drawer systems that you'll see that have like a gap on the left and right, or they sit back like they're not actually lined up with the door, and it's not going to actually ram into the door because you can see how this recesses back there on the door. So that's a plus. And I know that I still can add a table on the back if I want to. And then if you come back here, it has marine grade carpet. These little slots are wooden, which you can remove to add, like if you need to put your fridge on top, and then you want to put or if you just want to like use it to remove and add something else on this side. But overall, the quality of the drawer, it's crafted from galvanized steel, aluminum, and a carpeted plywood deck, which I've really tested its structural integrity by putting a lot of firewood on there recently. I'm holding up all this wood that I picked up yesterday, and I'm just offloading it right now. I'm gonna take it inside, but just shows you like how strong the drawer system is. And I added this little like basket mat kind of, so that way you don't want to get your carpet torn up or carpet dirty. You're able to just use this cargo mat, which was on the FJ before, on top of this drawer system to keep all the dirt, mud, or in this case wood particles contained in it. It's a single drawer system that bolts down into the existing bolt holes, no drilling required. So this is designed specifically for the FJ Cruiser, and the drawer face is sloped to match the FJ rear door trim, leaving no space wasted. And to me, it gives a more factory natural look, not like a lot of other drawer systems that either homemade or just don't really look like they're built well for the FJ. You can see right here, the latch will come down and you put it there. You can hear the lock right there, which it comes with 2 keys so that you can lock all your valuables, whether you're putting more camping gear, guns, or camera equipment. The drawer sliders can handle up to 255 pounds at 60% travel. You'll have to try very hard to overload this drawer, which I don't have any disbelief that it would have any issues putting all types of stuff in here and bending or. So yeah, with this drawer system, I typically will load out, I always have my camping chair in there. I have a poncho, I have my water port, spray nozzle, Bucky's koozie, I have my Manfrotto tripod, and I also carry a Stanley toolkit just in the back with little air compressor until I get an ARB one, emergency road hazard light, jumper cable, Rhino USA straps, and I'll also have a bungee cord and stuff like that. So this is my REI camp chair that's really compact, really comfortable. I got some poop bags for my dog Zeke. So as you can see in the back right here, we have the Solo stove on top of the drawer system from Big Country, the Savute drawer system, and I have my firewood that I'm going to take with me stacked right there. Nice little setup. And then any extra spare wood, I'll just load it in the back of this trasharoo. You can see right here. I got some more wood right there. So really good storing systems right here just to